If you're just getting into incense like I am, I have something for you. Hey Credos! One of my daughters got me into incense lately, but I'm not really familiar with all the different scents available. Recently I purchased this 12-pack of incense sticks. This will allow me to try out lots of different scents to see what I really like. I'm gonna open it right now. Live unwrapping, and to the best of my ability, I will tell you what the scents are in this package. Because of chronic sinusitis a number of decades ago, I haven't had a good sense of smell for a long time. But after the worldwide thing that happened a few years ago, my sense of smell is almost nothing. Only very strong scents tend to come through, like strong mints. But as soon as I opened the wrapping on this package, I can smell some of it, and that's an amazing thing. And that's been one of the benefits of using incense, is that I can smell it when I can't smell most other things. First we have frankincense, made famous by the wise men. Sandalwood, not sure what this scent is Natural the scent? Is Satya the scent or the brand? I don't know. We'll try that one. Yogic meditation, maybe. Spiritual healing, lavender. I'm excited for that one. Rose. Now this is gonna be hit and miss for me because either I like it a lot or I don't like it at all. So we'll see about that one. Black diamond, popular with really good skiers, I guess. Opium. Uh-oh. Could be trouble. Reiki power. This one says natural rose. So it may be somewhat different from the unnatural rose. And last of all, Reiki. So now I'll test out my first box in my favorite incense holder, and I'll tell you what I think. Here's my amazing mess-free incense burner. Not only is it pretty, has lots of options, but it contains the burn off. I'm gonna try frankincense. I have some frankincense oil, but I've never used frankincense incense. And you will see if I can smell it. That's the big test. I can smell it, I can smell the stick. Oh, that's a good sign. All right, here we go. You ready? Light it. Sunlight's pretty bright, so I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, we got a flame. Let it burn for a second. Okay. Yes, I can definitely smell it. It's a pretty mild smell though. Just pretty mild. Comfortable, a comfortable smell. Can you see the smoke wafting over? This is the kind of smell I could actually see using in my evening devotional, sometime when I'm trying to relax. It's just kind of a calming, soothing smell. And I can smell it. If you're looking to try a number of different scents at once to see what you really like, this is a great way to do it, kind of a sampler pack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and join us in the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with sensational ideas.